Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Boy reveals father's secret and leaves the teacher speechless. What she does next, no one expected. When asked why Nancy Bloyer, 54, decided to become a kindergarten teacher, the answer is easy. She wanted to do something positive with her career. Teaching very young children seemed like a great way for her to make a positive impact on many lives and influence the way the next generation behaves. Although it's hard work, she loves it, but because she has such a big heart, she is always looking for more ways to do good in the world. When Bloyer, who teaches in Iowa, noticed that one of her students was very sad, she decided to take the child aside and talk to him. She wanted him to know that she would support him no matter what. That's when she learned that the boy was having some problems at home. Thanks to his son's teacher, an Iowa dad will undergo a life-saving transplant. Darrell Peterson, 34, will receive a kidney from 54-year-old Nancy Bloyer, who donates her organs to him on June 1st. It's just awesome. Mason City's Peterson, Iowa, told ABC News, "People are waiting for a kidney every day, for an organ in general. I wish there were more people like her. She's giving me a second chance at life." Dad to 4-year-old Camden, Peterson said he heard in January that he had kidney failure and went on to dialysis. "It wasn't until I finished going through the emergencies and my doctor, she found that my hemoglobin level was incredibly poor the next day during follow-up," Peterson said. They did a biopsy showing kidney work at 20%. Nancy Bloyer, a Washington Trolley Brown preschool and child care instructor in Mason City, told ABC News she offered to be screened as a potential donor when she learned about Peterson's health problems. She learned soon after that she was a player. "That really excited me," said Bloyer. "I was ecstatic. If I were not a match, I don't know what I would have done for closure." Bloyer said she was extremely grateful to Peterson for their selfless gift. "There was Darrell Peterson and his son with a dozen huge roses, and I'm crying, but it was really nice, of course," she added. "I said, 'We're on. It's a go.'" She went on, "It was a really cool response, and it's nice to know that one day I'll be able to go to Camden's graduation from high school and talk about it and say, 'Oh, that was nuts.'" Peterson and Bloyer will undergo surgery next month at Iowa University Hospital.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.